Hello everyone! So, today we will make homemade hand sanitizer. So, since very good. So, since it's out of stock and mostly not available, you can make your own at home. So, sa ngayon guys, pinaka-importante na lagi nating panatiliing malinis yung ating mga kamay sa pamamagitan ng paghuhugas ng kamay at least 20 seconds. So, in case na nasa labas tayo guys, tapos walang tubig at sabon, we can use hand sanitizer. So, ito yung mga kailangan natin guys. So, alcohol. Okay, so make sure guys that at least 70% to 99%. Tapos, aloe vera gel. Tapos, optional glycerin guys. Tapos may empty bottle. Ni-recycle ko lang siya guys. Nire-refill lang ko siya. Okay, so let's start.